Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today in this important video lecture, I will give you some important information especially for civil engineering students. If they are working on construction site or if they are studying at college, but these information are very helpful for civil engineering students, but especially for those students which are working on construction site, because they are asking different types of question from site engineer. So therefore it's helpful to know what is de-shuttering time, curing time and density of different materials, because this is specially for those students which are working on construction site, or if you are studying, so it's also helpful for those civil engineering students. So वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए मेरे हौसला अफजाई के लिए, क्योंकि इसके लिए कोई पेमेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको. सो वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें बेल आइकन के साथ इसलिए ताकि आपको हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सके. जब भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करता हूँ, अगर आपने बेल आइकन को प्रेस किया है तो आपको वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सकता है. तो चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ. टॉपिक इज important information especially for civil engineering students. The first one is density of materials, second is curing for different types of cement, the last one is removal of formwork or de-shuttering time of formwork. Let's start guys. The first one is PCC. What is the density of PCC? Means weight of PCC, plain cement concrete. Many students they are asking on site from site engineer, sir, what is the weight of PCC or RCC brickwork and RCC blocks, etc. So for PCC, plain cement concrete, density is what? 2400 kg per meter cube. This is density of PCC. Okay, this is standard data which I am discussing in this video. Guys, for RCC, that is 2300 to 2700 kg per meter cube. This is the density of RCC, reinforced cement concrete. This is without steel, reinforced, and here we used steel, so therefore it's called RCC. The other one is PCC. PCC density is 2400 kg per meter cube. RCC is 2300 to 27 kg per meter cube, because for different sand and for different crush, okay, the difference is there for 400, because there are different types of crush, different types of cement. So therefore for different cement and for different sand and for different crush, the density is changed. So therefore 2300 to 2700 kg per meter cube. So therefore it's important for those civil engineering students which are working on construction site, if you want to find the load of structure, different loads, so for that you need self weight or dead load of structure. So therefore we require the density of RCC or PCC. Okay, so therefore we find. Now bricks, density of bricks or brick masonry, that is 600 to 1920 kg per meter cube. This is the density of brickwork. Okay, and the other one is RCC block, concrete block. Okay, I will tell you concrete block. Concrete blocks density is 2100 kg per meter cube. So guys, these are some materials which is specific materials in building construction. So you should know about these density. Maybe if you want to apply for a job, so after so on that time in interview they can ask from you what is the so this is the standard data. So you can tell him PCC, RCC, brickwork, concrete block density. They can ask from you on interview. Okay. The second one is curing. Many students they are telling me, sir, what is the curing time for OPC cement, ordinary Portland cement, for super sulfate cement, and for mineral and if admixture added cement, we have different days. Okay, so for OPC, ordinary Portland cement, the curing time is 10 days. Okay, and super sulfate cement curing time is also 7 days. Okay, this is 10 days for those cements which are nowadays we are using in construction works. Okay, that is 10 days. And for mineral and added admixture, when we added any admixture to OPC cement, okay, so we will increase the curing, that is 14 days, right? Now guys, the last one is removal of farm work or deshuttering time of farm work. Okay, so guys, for columns, walls, vertical farm work, as you can see guys, this is what? Column. Okay, for vertical farm work, as you can see, this is vertical farm work. Okay, for 4 sides we fix farm work for concrete to make our RCC structure. Okay, column structure. Okay, so for columns, also for walls, vertical farm work, not horizontal farm work, vertical farm work. That is, we should remove after 16 to 24 hours. Okay, from 16 to 24 hours we should remove the farm work, as you can see in the picture. Okay, we should remove within 16 to 24 hours. We should remove vertical farm work from column, also from walls. The second one is soffit farm work to slab. Now what is soffit? Guys, you can see here, this is, as you can see, this is a column, this is slab. Okay, as you can see guys, here this is called soffit of slab, and this is vertical. As you can see, this is vertical farm work, as I discussed here. This is called soffit of slab, and as you can see, this is beam. Okay, so for beam, vertical farm work is to this side, this one, this is vertical, and also other side here, you can see. Okay, other side, that one side. Okay, not the top, one side, and also this side, this is called vertical farm work. But this, okay, at the bottom, horizontal farm work is called soffit for slab, like this one. Okay, we provide here farm work that is called soffit. Okay, so soffit farm work to slab should be removed after 3 days. After 3 days, soffit of slab should be removed after 3 days. But here is the one point note: props to be refixed after removing. Props means supports. Okay, it should be fixed after removal of soffit of farm work, soffit farm work to slab. Okay, this is the one point. Second, soffit to beam. Soffit to beam. For beam, so soffit to beam farm work should be removed after 7 days, as this one. Okay, and the sides should be vertical farm work should be removed after 16 to 24 days, 24 hours. Okay, but soffit of beams should be removed after 7 days, and props to be refixed after removing. Again, props should be refixed after removing of soffit to beams. This is the other point. Now guys, when we can remove props? So here is a question. So guys, the props should be removed if the span between, as you can see, if the span between slab from 0 to 4.5 meter. The spanning between 0 to 4.5 meter, it should be removed. The props should be removed. Okay, because I've already discussed soffit to beams should be removed after 7 days, but props to be refixed after removing of soffit to beams. But the soffit should be removed if the spanning is from 0 to 4.5 meters, so it should be removed after 7 days. If this span is more than 4.5 meters, this span, then it should be removed after 14 days. This is the main point, guys. If the span is more than 4.5 meters, so it should be removed. The supports or the props should be removed after 14 days. If the span is less than or up to 4.5 meter, from 0 to 4.5 meters, so it should be removed after 7 days. So guys, also one other question. For arc, if the span is, okay, if the spanning is 6 meter, up to 6 meter, up to 6 meters, okay, for arc, okay, like this one, this is called arc, and many students, they are telling it arch. Okay, this is arc. So for arc up to 6 meter, it should be removed after 14 days. The props should be removed after 14 days. But if more than 6 meter, so it should be removed after 21 days. Okay, this is the point. For what? For arc. What should be removed? Props should be removed. Spanning over 4.5 meter, 14 days. Spanning up to 4.5 meter, 7 days. Spanning for arc up to 6 meter for arc. Okay, then for 14 days, more than 6 meter after 21 days. The column wall vertical formwork should be removed to 16 to 24 hours. Formwork to slab soffit should be removed after 3 days, and the props should be refixed again after removal of soffit. And soffit to beams should be removed after 7 days, and props should be refixed after removal of soffit. Okay, and these are the density which I have discussed. For OPC 10 days curing time, for super sulfate cement 7 days, for mineral and admixture added cement or other material added cement, so 14 days. So I hope it can help you on construction site, in interview, if you are studying in civil engineering at colleges, so maybe it will help you. So guys, if you have any question related with this topic, so you can comment, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.